Thank you po, Nina.
What will you say to Ate Kay?
Thank you.
Okay, open it. Thank you, baby Kay. Okay, open it.
Thank you, baby K.
You rip it. You can rip it.
Uy, you say thank you, baby Kay.
You can rip it, baby Yuna.
Rikit ka rikit. Sa kabisi sa yari.
Imo magi pa.
Wow! Another accessories. Show it to mama. Show it to mama.
You read it. You read it. There's a name.
It's mine.
It's
Wow,
your name.
it's
What
your
letter is that?
Wow, nag-effort siya si Ate Kay. Thank you. Say
What
thank you,
letter
Ate
is that,
Kay.
Nina?
Your
Okay,
name.
the other one also.
How about? Oh, another hair clip. Dagan na tag hair clip yun na. Uy, baby Rox, ngano ka dira? Uy, unsa ni tawon nimo, be? Be, Give kay ate will
Put
hold.
it together, Rox, in your
Okay.
hand. You put it together. No, you put it like this. Together ba? Ana.
Mao din ang utahan na si Kay. Musuot na si Yuna og ano. Okay, you have baby Rox.
I think he let me try that in the morning.
Oh, mao na di ay ko.
Oh, di pa try.
Ah, mao di ay. Basig di, masigo. Wala na di ay.
No, in the morning, uy. In the afternoon na to, uy.
After na, ito yun na, Bill.
Ate kilit ko siya in the morning. Takpan. Oh,
That's for, uy!
Oras sa'yo mo, oras sa'yo.
For baby Rox.
It have rocks. It have rocks name.
Okay, Rox, give it to baby Rox, Bill.
Rocks.
Oh, Rox,
Oh, look. Where? Give me that.
ako nagasimati ni hala tagaan kabisi ka.
Rocks. That's yours.
Wow, what will you say to Ate Kay?
Ay, pamati daw.
Rox, what will you say to Ate Kay? Uy, batasan.